Well, I can't believe it, but it is time to do our versus battle again. We are taking a look at the Macy's Beauty Box versus the Ipsy Glam bag for January 2025 today. I feel like we just did this, but here we are, another month, another battle. Let's see who's going to be the winner today. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. We will do a versus battle once a month between these two boxes. The reason being is these two boxes are very similar in price point in what they offer. So why not compare them and just see who's the better box? So today we're going to do that for the January 2025 boxes. So for my initial weight test, which, you know, very official here. I mean, I'm just holding the boxes and totally just guesstimating. But for my very official weight test, I gotta say, they both feel heavier than usual. I mean, there are some months that these come in and they feel like there's nothing inside of them. But actually, I mean, you guys, like, I can feel the weight in here. Like, it's went up a couple of ounces. So we're going to start with the Macy's Beauty Box today. Now, like I said, this is a monthly subscription box, and it retails for $15 a month. Macy's does guarantee that you will receive a variety of sample-sized or travel-sized items inside. They do not allow you to customize it, though, and you get the same items as everybody else, so you don't really know what you're going to get in this box until it ships to you. Now, the one thing I will make mention of this month for January is they were behind on shipping again. So this is the only reason why I'm bringing it up is I've had like 2 or 3 months in a row now where the Macy's box has shipped out way later than usual. So if you do order this subscription, keep in mind, it may take it a couple of weeks to actually ship out. I always get it, and I always do get it in the month that it's supposed to come in, but it used to be that I would have it within the first 7 to 10 days of the month. Now I'm not getting it until like the 20th to the 25th of the month. So they're beating Ipsy even. I mean, Ipsy shipping, I mean, let's face it, notoriously they're slower than all of the other boxes, but they're actually way faster than Macy's has been lately. So if you get this box, just keep in mind, shipping might be a little bit longer. So inside, do we have a takeover box? Oh my gosh, I think we do, you guys. Okay, so inside of your Macy's box, you're gonna receive a bookmark, and on the bookmark, it will tell you the theme of the box. And it says, the best of La Mer skincare. I think it's a takeover, meaning everything inside of this Macy's box is going to be from this brand. This is a good brand, you guys. Like, La Mer is very bougie. Oh, I am so excited. Okay, this might be really good. So that is one advantage, is Macy's will randomly do a takeover month. You never know when it's going to be. They'll just surprise you with it. But we typically get at least one takeover, if not 2 takeovers a year. All right, so inside, oh, the thoughts are spinning, you guys. So this is what it looks like, and it's actually tagged as La Mer. I have a theory that what we have here today is a free gift with purchase, that if you went to Macy's and you bought like $200 worth of La Mer products, they would give you this bundle for free. That is my hunch, and my guess is they did not sell them, so now they're in our subscription box, which, you guys, I'm fine with, because look at it this way. I only spent $15 to get this bundle, versus with the gift with purchase, I'm sure it would have easily been $200, if not more, to get this bundle. Regardless, the bag is gorgeous. Love this blue color. I mean, it's absolutely stunning. Beautiful bag. It's made really well. It's got firm construction on the bottom here, so it will stand up on its own. Nice zipper as well, very smooth. And then inside, oh, we only have 3 well, now I know for sure this was a gift with purchase, but we only have 3 products? That's stingy. Macy's, I mean, come on. Like, I just gave you a glowing review, and we normally get more than 3 products a month. Bougie brand or not, typically we will get, I mean, you guys have seen 5 to 8 products a month in this box easily. So the first item that I have is their foaming cleanser. So this is 5 ml of product. By the way, if you guys want to do something while I'm unboxing, look it up. See if you can find like a holiday special that was like a gift with purchase with La Mer, and see if you find this exact bundle. I am so curious to know how much you would have had to have spent to get this. Go figure, the very next day I saw this ad on Facebook for La Mer, and it was a free set with a $200 purchase. So I'm pretty sure that's what this set is that we have here today. The one that they're advertising in this photo shows larger sized products, but when you read the fine print, it actually shows the same sizes that I have in my bundle. So don't be fooled by the marketing. This is the exact same bundle. Okay, so this is the foaming cleanser. This is their sample size, 5 ml of product, and this is what it will look like outside of the box. So just an itty bitty guy. This one is supposed to clean out your pores really well without stripping your skin, but it's also going to hydrate it at the exact same time. I have no doubt it works really well because it is a great brand. So I think that's awesome. It is made with a lot of plant-based ingredients, so a lot of natural extracts are included in this. So I do think, you know, it probably does work. I'm just a little bitter that we're only getting 3 products this month. The next item that I have is the eye concentrate. This is 3 ml of product here. Man, it's like advent calendar deja vu all over again, you guys. Like, I swear, all of these products were in our advent calendars. And here's your itty bitty size, 3 ml of product. And I get it, it's an eye cream. You're not gonna need a lot of it for that area, but still, 3 ml. I mean, okay, just a little dab. I feel like, will this even last a week? I mean, truthfully, like, I don't know. It even says not for individual sale. Like, it just seems really, really small. This one will fight crow's feet and wrinkles, but it's also going to give you hydration back to this whole under eye area here. So again, you know, the brand is what saves this. So I do like that we have a good bougie brand, but I'm sure, what do you want to bet? These small little samples are like 20 bucks or something. My gosh, I have all sorts of emotions today. Next item that we have in here is their moisturizer. So this is the La Mer moisturizer. And it is, I mean, you guys, it is a spot. We have, what is the size on this? It doesn't even say. It's so small, they ran out of room to print the size on it. But I mean, literally, when I say it's a dollop, it's the size of a Hershey Kiss. Like, it is so small. All right, this one does not have a size on it, but I would not guess that this is any more than 5 ml of product. Like, it is really tiny. The only good news I can say about this is if you've never tried this brand, you would get to try it. But I don't know that there's technically enough product here to know whether or not you see results or to know if you really like the product. It's just enough for you to try it and go, let me go buy this and then give it a really good shot. You know what I mean? Like, it's just enough to hook you in. Now, the last thing included in this bundle are 2 foil packets, which I just don't count. I know they're going to say this is 5 products, but foils are literally the definition of free samples. You can get these in magazines for free all the time. So this is 1.5 ml, and we have their moisturizer and then their night cream here is what we have. So it's 1.5 ml in each of these. Again, these are just your little foil packets. So this is what we have for the Macy's box for January. So I'm sure you can tell how I already feel about this box. It's not a bad brand name, and I don't even mind getting a leftover product if it is a free gift with purchase. It's really not that, because I feel like $15 is a deal for it. It's more so the fact that it's so little product to work with. And while I do know it's an expensive bougie brand that I'm never going to be able to purchase outside of this subscription, it just is very little product for the $15 paid. You just don't get a lot back for your money. Now, I am online right now checking out some of these prices here on the La Mer products. I have to tell you that this little moisturizer, while I don't have a size on it, if you were to buy half an ounce, 0.5 ounces, it retails for $100 for that. And I mean, again, I don't know how much I have here of this product, but if you wanted to get 8.5 ounces, it retails for $1,440. 8.5 ounces, and it's a $1,400 product, you guys. So that's what I'm saying. I'm sure this little bundle here, it's probably worth $100, you guys, and we got it for $15. So in terms of value, it's there. It's just, oh, I wish we had more product. Moving on, we're gonna check out our Ipsy Glam bag today. Now this is for January 2025. Ipsy will send over 5 products every single month along with a free travel bag. You are able to customize one of the 5 products that are included in this bundle. So inside my bag for January, oh, it's also blue. Actually, it's very cute. So this is what it looks like here. It has this woven basket design, and then this gold medallion in the center is made to be imperfect. I really like it, you guys. So this is what it looks like all the way around. For the free bag for Macy's, I mean, if I compare the two of them, I love this color. Absolutely gorgeous. And I do think this is probably made a little bit better. I can feel the construction, but I think they're equally cute. And they'll probably hold about the same amount of products. So all in all, I think it's kind of a draw when it comes to the bags themselves, but they're both really good this month. So first item inside of my Ipsy bag, and the item that I chose for my bag, is from e.l.f. This is their Big Mood Mascara. It's Mega Volume and Mega Lift. This is in the shade Black. This mascara retails for $8 if you are going to purchase it. So not really that expensive, but I mean, it is e.l.f. That's typically, they're known for giving you, honestly, quality products, but at a drugstore price point. So this is what the wand will look like. In my opinion, I feel like this is a great dupe for the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. It has that very similar hourglass wand. It's also designed for volume, and it's a really fabulous mascara. So I do feel like this one, I think it's gonna work well. I need to try it and see how it does with like fallout and flakes, but I have high hopes for this. The next item that I have in here today from Ipsy is from Goldilocks. That's the brand name, Goldilocks. Ultra Hydrating Signature Hair Mask, 1 ounce or 30 ml. This is a travel size product that we have, and it's designed to give you deep hydration and to repair any damage that you have to your hair. So this is when you're just gonna leave it on damp or wet hair. You're gonna leave it for about 5 minutes, and then you're gonna rinse it out afterwards, and you're gonna notice that your hair will be softer after using their product. Now this one comes in at $56 for the full size version, which is 7 ounces. We have 1 ounce of product here today. It does mention that this is a luxury brand, and it says that it's also going to impart shine without weighing your hair down. And it also has rose water and biotin in it, so it would make your hair healthier too. I can already tell you guys how this battle is gonna shake out. It's gonna come down to Macy's being luxury, but very little product, or you get Ipsy where you get quite a bit of product and not luxury brands. They're gonna be more drugstore brands. You see what I mean? Like, this month, they could not be more opposite. The next product that we have in here today is a full-size eyeliner. This is from Illuminati, and it is their multi-chrome gel eyeliner. So this is what it will look like here in your packaging. The shade, or maybe there isn't a shade on here. It doesn't actually say a shade. So maybe there isn't because it is just a multi-chrome, so it's supposed to be a lot of different colors built into one liner. But I do like that it is a gel formula. I always feel like the gel ones are easier to work with. So this is what it will look like here. And then this will be your gel liner. Look at that. So beautiful shimmer. It's definitely going to catch the light. If you use that under your eye here, it will actually help to brighten up your eyes as well. So this is going to be really pretty. You could also do it over top of your eyelid, but I feel like if you put it underneath, it would give you a little bit of sparkle. This also has a built-in sharpener at the other end here that you can pull off. So there's a smudge brush, so you can use that to actually go in and kind of smudge out that line. Or it will also come out and you'll have the sharpener on the other end for this device as well. So I do like that it comes with both of those attached to it. This eyeliner comes in at $21 for it, and the shade is called Prime. And it's even there. I just thought, I don't know. I didn't know if that was the shade or not, but apparently that is. Next up, we have a product from Laura Mercier. This is the Translucent Setting Spray. So this will be a 16-hour hold that you can spritz over your makeup, and it will help to prevent your makeup from sliding off due to humidity or oils. And it's also going to leave it fresh. So that way, you know, if you go to hug anybody, it's not going to rub off on their shoulders or anything like that. Setting sprays are great at locking your makeup in place. Now this one, good size again, 1 ounce or 30 ml. So this is what it will look like here. I don't think Laura Mercier is the most expensive brand out there, but I do feel like there is enough product here to try out. This is still $21 though. Even though it is a travel size, it retails for $21 on her website. It's also an alcohol and fragrance-free formula, so it won't budge, smudge, or transfer, and you won't have excess oils after using this. Last item inside of our box then today from Ipsy is going to be from Dr. Lily Fan. It is a probiotic recovery cream. So this is essentially a moisturizer. We have half an ounce here. Let me do a quick little comparison. Let's look at this moisturizer from La Mer. Guys, look at this. We'll eat this and then some. It's so much larger. Bottle size here, you guys. So this is our moisturizer from Ipsy. And then inside you can see that it is a really whipped and thick cream. So it's supposed to be a hydrating moisturizer. That way, if you have any dry skin or damaged skin, it will not only rehydrate it, but it'll repair it at the same time. Now, this one is their deluxe size sample. The full size version is 1.7 ounces for $68. But like I said, we have half an ounce here. So that is everything inside of the Ipsy Glam bag for January. Now we have to draw a winner. And honestly, I don't feel like this is an even fight, you guys. I feel like they are two totally opposite perspectives when it comes to the beauty world, but also this is exactly what I always see with beauty in general. Because on one hand, you have luxury beauty that costs a fortune, but is supposed to be a really great product that you don't need a lot of product to use it. Or you get drugstore brands that are much larger, lots more product, however, they may not be as effective, so you have to use more product. And that is always what happens when it comes to beauty and makeup. If you love a drugstore product, somebody else is equally gonna love a high-end brand that's gonna counteract that. You know what I mean? It's just two different philosophies. Just two different ways to look at beauty. So for me, I feel like today's battle is going to have to be a draw because I don't feel like it's an even fight. However, I am very value oriented of what did I get for my money? What do I have to show for my money? So personally, I'm going to give the win to Ipsy because I feel like I have more versus with Macy's, the foil packets. Considering that there were 2 foil packets in there, I don't feel like I have a lot to show for my money, but I feel like I have 2 full-size products with Ipsy. There's more there to use. I'll be able to use that a lot longer. The brand name is great, but if I have to pick for myself, I would go with Ipsy to get more product. I may actually put this up on a poll, you guys, here on YouTube just to see what everyone thinks, because I have a feeling it's going to be a 50-50 split. Some people are going to love Macy, some people are going to love Ipsy this month. So comment down below, how would you guys vote for this battle? Which one do you think is the better box this month? They're very similar in price point and what you are receiving, so let's duke it out. Who's Team Macy's and Team Ipsy? Comment down below. Let's see how this battle goes. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. And if you want to see the battle continue in February, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and we will be back for another battle. But until next time, you guys, have a great day and I will see you in my next unboxing video. Bye!